Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th day of May, 2025, our system has categorized Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.61. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations with an increase of 1.68%. This results in an average return of 0.84% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $25.61 would first indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also signal the initial stages of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 15.3% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decrease of 47.09% to a decrease of 10.37%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 24.36%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of 89.69% to an increase of 37.98% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.50 and $33.39. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price ended at $24.20 on Wednesday after gaining 1.68%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price gained 1.68% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, rising from $23.80 to $24.20. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.41%, with a day low of $23.72 and a day high of $24.53. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 8.26% over this period. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 301,000 more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 2 million shares bought and sold for approximately $54.75 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $56.55, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 57.21%, or $32.35, below the 52-week high, and 69.51%, or $55.18, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Donald Trump's media venture, Trump Media and Technology Group, has recently gained traction, contributing to fluctuating stock prices for DJT. On the 3rd of May, Trump stirred attention by posting an artificial intelligence image of himself as the Pope on his Truth social platform, just days after Pope Francis's death. This move has sparked a mix of fascination and concern among investors, potentially influencing the stock in the immediate term as it captures social media buzz. Earlier, on the 29th of April, the company published a letter to shareholders outlining its developments ahead of an annual meeting that could shape future strategies. The stock had previously surged over 25% following a partnership announced on the 22nd of April with Crypto.com, to launch a series of exchange-traded funds, signaling a strategic pivot into financial services, which is likely to bolster investor confidence in the long term. However, in light of recent scrutiny from Senator Elizabeth Warren regarding potential conflicts of interest with Trump's financial products, DJT may face headwinds that could impact its valuation if regulatory pressures intensify. Moreover, fluctuations in the stock price have been evident, with DJT recently experiencing sharp gains amid bullish market sentiment, marking a 10.3% increase at one point. The volatility around DJT is likely to continue as the market digests ongoing developments and investor reactions to both Trump's activities and his firm's strategic shifts. In summary, while DJT is positioned for potential long-term gains, immediate volatility and regulatory scrutiny present risks that could impact its performance. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast in the event of further gains. The stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $24.57. Conversely, should the stock decline, it will find support from the long-term average at around $21.57. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will initiate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator. Nonetheless, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 8.26%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 11 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 52 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 61 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level because as this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this case, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $22.87. If this support is broken, the next level from accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock may experience significant movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 81 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 3.41%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.39%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This crucial metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $26.14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $22.87. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted another insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan conducted another insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Also, on the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted a further insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 20.573. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.92, reflecting a decrease of 5.27%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which results in a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 10 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation shows several positive signals. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At this level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting to hold or accumulate while awaiting further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of May, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open lower by 5 cents, beginning at $24.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current outlook on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your insights. What is your price target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.